Hey developers, 5 different companies hiring for the different role like software engineer role by the LinkedIn, another is JavaScript developer, and the fourth one is software engineer for backend, and the last one is for the AI workflow automation specialist. So talking about the first one, Microsoft hiring for the software engineer role for Bangalore location, but they offer up to 100% work from home. Means it is a work from home job. Talking about the basic qualification, if you are passed out in 2024 and 25, you can apply here. Bachelor degree in computer science or related technical discipline with proven experience coding language, including but not limited to C, C++, C Sharp, Java, JavaScript, or Python, or equivalent experience. Not only this, if you have any other language proficiency, you can apply here also. Talking about the other requirement, ability to meet Microsoft customer and government security screening requirements are required for this role. These requirements include but not limited to the following: specialized security screening, Microsoft Cloud Backend check, other qualifications, but if you only have these qualifications, you can easily apply here. Here is the roles and responsibilities like contributing to the development and maintenance of core services, APIs, SDK used to produce pipeline and consume telemetry, and other you can read here. Let's move to the next hiring. This hiring for the software engineer role by the LinkedIn. Talking about the basic qualification, completed BTech and BE or other related courses. Experience in software design development and algorithm related solutions. Background in CS. Experience with data structure and algorithm and software design. Preferred qualification, programming experience in Java, C Sharp, and C++. Object oriented skills and suggested skills, DSA, software design, and Java. So apply for this job by clicking here. Next, move to the next hiring for JavaScript developer freshers, means recent graduates, by the company Progland. Talking about the qualification, 0 to 1 year of experience can apply here, and the job location Chennai. Previous one LinkedIn, it is for the Bangalore location. Now move to the skills. Participate in training program to build a solid foundation in JavaScript development. Stay up to date with latest trends and best practice in web development. Means this job is around JavaScript. Work closely with senior developer to develop and implement user interface using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React. Collaborate with UI/UX designer to bring designs to life on the web. Collaboration, coding and debugging, documentation, basic understanding, problem solving, communication skill, team player, passion for learning, and nice to have React or Angular, Git and GitHub, or any internship or personal project demonstrating practical experience. Now move to the next hiring by the browser stack company. It is for the software engineer backend role. It is posted today, so it is a fresh job, so apply fast. Talking about the qualification, as you can read that it is a remote job. This position requires candidate based in Mumbai or willing to relocate to Mumbai on. Desired experience, software development or programming experience of 0 to 1 year of experience, at least experience in one programming language: Ruby, Node.js, Python, Java, C Sharp, C++, and C. Good knowledge of OS, database, networking concept, or experience in APIs, Linux, Windows for work. Ability to communicate effectively with employees in the company in both technical and non-technical roles. Should have a startup mentality, high willing to learn and be hardworking, and be able to work in fast-paced environment. What you will do, you can read here and apply. Nothing required more than these skills. Now move to the next hiring by the Unnanu for the Hyderabad location for the AI workflow automation specialist. Talking about the qualification and eligibility: bachelor degree in CS, AIML, IT or related field. Final year project or internship in automation is preferred. Nice to have, but before that, required skills: basic knowledge of AIML concept and automation tools, familiarity with RPA platforms like UiPath, Automation Anywhere, Blueprint, scripting and programming language, JavaScript and Python or similar, understanding of API and system integration, strong problem solving and analytical skills. Nice to have hands-on experience with workflow automation tools. Zapier, Anytime, Power Automate. Knowledge of cloud-based technology services, AI, AWS, AML, Azure Cognitive Service, Google AI. Exposure to NLP, chatbots, or intelligent assistant. Certification in RPA or AI tools. Talking about the deadline, talking about the deadline. 22 September 2025, 12 am. Talking about the salary, minimum and max salary is 6 to 9 LPA. It is an in-office job location, Hyderabad. So end this video, apply now. All job links below in the description, and comment if you required any detail or have any query or for anything, and subscribe Skillya for more job updates.